This power bank lets you charge your phone without any cables. So this will be great for taking with you on the go and not having to mess around with any cables tangling around. Now let's take a closer look. Today we're looking at the INIU 10000mAh magnetic wireless power bank. As always, link in the description if you do want to pick this up. So this is everything what comes inside the box. This power bank does also come with 3 years warranty. So we get a carry case, we get a USB-C to USB-C cable, a welcome guide, which if I just show you through it, and we get the power bank itself. Now let's check out the power bank. On the side here we have the power button. On the top we have a USB-A output port which gives up to 22.5 watts. We have the USB-C input and output port, which input gives up to 18 watts and output gives up to 20 watts. We have the magnetic wireless charging pad here, which gives up to 7.5 watts with the iPhone 12 to 14 series, whereas from the iPhone 11 to 8 series it will only give up to 5 watts. Now with a Samsung device it will give up to 10 watts. It has a magnetic wireless charging indicator here, so when you put your device obviously on charge with a wireless charging pad, this light will shine blue. On the top here we have the power bank battery light indicator. Now how this works is it's called paw power. Now when every single paw, should I say, is lit up, that means it's on 100%. Now say one goes off, that means, and only 3 are on, that means it's on 80%. And then when there's 2 off, only 3 are on, it's 60%. Then when 3 are off and 2 are on, it's 40%. And when this last one here is just on, that means 20%. And then when it goes off, that means it's dead. I do also have another INIU power bank which is 25,000 mAh. The review for that will be coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. So I did run a test with this power bank. I got my iPhone 14 Plus which had 0% battery life, and I used this power bank which had 100% battery life. So I put my iPhone 14 Plus on charge using the magnetic wireless charging feature on this power bank, and then I put it aside. I checked back a couple hours later and the phone was on 80% after a couple hours, and the battery pack still had 20% left. Overall, I think that this is a very handy and useful power bank. It has one of the best magnets I've seen, as it is very strong and sticks well to the phone. As I have mentioned, this is great to take with you on the go as well. Me personally, I take this to university and the gym, etc. And because it is quite compact, it does fit in my pocket as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.